You will not believe what one spoon of this sweet, sticky stuff can do. Your tomato plants could go from barely blooming to bursting with fruit just by spraying something you already have in your kitchen. No fertilizer, no fancy products. Just 1 tablespoon once a week, and the difference is crazy. Keep watching, because this one simple tip might completely change the way your tomatoes grow this season. If your tomato plants are growing leaves but not much fruit, this easy trick can help. In this video, you will learn how to use one common kitchen item to boost flowering and fruiting naturally. It works in containers, raised beds, or small backyard gardens. And yes, it is totally safe. Sometimes tomato plants slow down just when you expect them to take off. Hot weather, poor soil, or missing nutrients can stress the plant. You might see lots of green leaves, but barely any flowers. Without enough energy and the right nutrients, they simply stop focusing on fruit. But do not worry, there is a simple fix that helps them bounce back fast and start producing again. Would you believe your tomatoes could be just 1 spoon away from going wild with fruit? Seriously, this one kitchen item might be the easiest trick you have never tried. And the best part? You probably already have it at home. Keep watching, because this changes everything. Molasses is a thick, dark syrup that comes from sugarcane or sugar beets. It is packed with natural sugar, potassium, calcium, and iron, all things that tomato plants love. These nutrients give your plants extra energy and help them during the important flowering and fruiting stages. When you spray molasses on the leaves, the plants absorb these nutrients directly, making them stronger and healthier. This simple boost can make a big difference, especially if your soil is lacking nutrients or the weather is tough. Using molasses is an easy, natural way to help your tomatoes grow bigger and produce more fruit. To make the molasses spray, start by taking 1 tablespoon of molasses. Pour it into 1 liter of clean water. Stir the mixture really well until the molasses is fully dissolved in the water. This helps the nutrients spread evenly when you spray. Use a spray bottle to apply the mixture directly onto the leaves of your tomato plants. It is best to spray in the early morning so the leaves can soak it up before the sun gets too hot. Use this once a week for the best results. And wait till you see what happens when you use this molasses spray every week. Your tomato plants will not just survive, they will thrive with more flowers, stronger stems, and fruit that keeps coming. Gardeners who use molasses spray have seen great changes. Their tomato plants start making more flowers, and the stems get thicker and stronger. Best of all, the fruit production goes way up: more tomatoes, bigger tomatoes, and better taste. This natural boost helps plants recover from stress and keeps them healthy through hot days. If you want your tomatoes to look and grow better, this is an easy and safe way to get those results. One important tip: never spray molasses in the afternoon when the sun is hot. This can burn the leaves and hurt your plants. Always spray in the early morning for the best results and safest care. Give this molasses spray a try and watch your tomato plants come alive with flowers and fruit. It is easy, safe, and perfect for any gardener. Don't forget to subscribe for more simple tips that really work. Thanks for watching and happy gardening. Your tomatoes are about to get a serious boost.